atwibitwe twina keba muno nontu mwa mantu yare yatendekere oro ara turonere antu beta baithia biashara cia Lichoro Moses Lichoro rai mu biashara embe na bacoka utuko beta baithia kwawe mucie kio kitendo ambacho tukashifu na tukiona kitendo kithithitwe kisiasa noro kwenju maine antu beta baithia biashara cia Lichoro kaboito na beta baithia mucie ibu nto tukua itokwenda sheria ethiatirwa kwa vyovyote vile na antu baubonde babwithite kitendo kiuba watwe na batwe turi antu bembe especially woni bumete embe tutenda embe rithukwa ni atongeria bakai kwenda kuona ni ora antu bembe baina political intolerance antu bembe ni antu babeana tutikwenda antu batumira siasa kuthukia antu bembe kwenda kuona ni antu bembe iba kumena antu ba subscribes ingi cia Meru County embe twina antu baba ingi bakuma all subscribes twina antu batiania twina antu ba imenti twina ko twina jaluo twina all tribes in embe na ito kwenda antu bonde barianira inamone kenda kwithira kwina there Meru.
Tumesikia vibaya sana kwa sababu ya ile kitendo imetendeka Gembe South Kaboito kwa nyumba ya Lichoro na tunarani hiyo kitendo kwa sababu inaonekana hii Meru watu hawana freedom. Ikifika mahali watu wamefika kuchoma nyumba ya mtu, wanachoma biashara ya mtu, economy si mzuri sahi, lakini watu wanaanza kuchoma biashara ya mtu kwa sababu anaegemea upande wa siasa wa Gavana Kawira Mwangaza. CS wetu Kindiki. Hii si haki kwa watu wa Meru. Hiyo ni kitendo mbaya na tunarani hiyo kwa area yote na tunasema haki itendeke kwa Lichoro, CS wetu Kindiki. Ingilia hii maneno laani kitendo na watu wote wenye walihusika wakamatwe mara moja na tuwaone wakiwa wanapelekwa kotini na wenye wataweza kulipia walipia juu kwa sababu hii ni hasara kubwa yenye hata hatuwezi kubali kuona ikitendeka kwa mtu mwingine. So Frida naito nominate kia makayu DA Meru na inkorani kitendo kirenderere na haraka boito tuko kwenye biashara cia Lichoro na kweta kuna njewe.
It's a very sad day in Meru County whereby we have witnessed barbaric action being taken by a very organized militian group, a kind of a political lines, Lichoro and the family. Tumesikia vile mali yao imeharibiwa na hiyo organized group, and you know we are in a country that is governed by the rule of law. You are supposed and it's a right to own property anywhere in this country, to live anywhere in this country, live alone in this country. So we want to condemn that action with the strongest terms possible and ask the DCI, ask the National Integration and Cohesion Commission to come in, look at Meru, because there is balkanization that is happening, and this is a threat to the county security, is a threat to the national security. Our brother CS Kindiki, you are doing a very, very good job in the country. You have fought bandits, you have fought organized criminals all over the country, but some people, and it's unfortunate, even some elected, want to destroy your job here in Meru. We are asking you, CS Kindiki, please crack the whip on the national security agencies, the police, and especially the police here in Meru County, the DCI, Gembe Central, all the security apparatus in Gembe Central and the Gembe region and the county at large, make sure that they do their job properly without taking some one political direction or the other. We want to condemn and say that we want to request for justice to be done to this family and anybody else who might be targeted for the same. Patwe katu na kithikiro mono tukwena arue non tukuona Lichoro na family yewe pa kuruzi property ja more than 50 million. Turegeria gwaka economy kathukwe na siasa. Netu condemn siasa ere kwendelea Meru. Kitendo giki no mwanka ke investigated thoroughly. Professor Kindiki ugo no itango nene muno nembega Kenyeji. Na itukugwiru ngwire audit so far. No ruita na bandits, no ruita na organized criminals in the country. Lakini kuli na elected leaders pangano naja Meru bakwenda kuthukia ngugi yaku na itu kuromba tafadhali pay very special and specific attention kiri Meru nonto ni profiling yekwendelea Meru na gutarget property na mbuga ikendelea na ikyo tukuga police baraba Meru County DCI in Meru na Kenya yonthe na muno region yeu we no mwanka bategero muno ora tukuigwa bugita in another region nara kwina insecurity kana inya nara nchobio kuruga tukaigwa kurita polisi bonthe I think eje ni nkuruki kinya nara nchobira nyoa kirinyaga polisi aitwa yonthe kinya naja nara kwina insecurity nara police na security apparatus chia region fulani patikite political stand onto nande is unfortunate that family eje bali we bali reported ntuku nyingi and is unfortunate bali uga igoro ibaletere police ba Igembe Central ba maimini ba Igembe South bakona babangi batyo batethia bakwija bairwa kaire police babaritwa na iro barombere kwithirwa nyomba yao na into byao so na ito kuona jagwe police within the system batekete political science na ikyo tukugoja ora nchobie kurugwa area koraga antu ukaigwa police station iyo yonthe police bakuthamithwa kinyana aja na ara police bateki science nonto police ne utumishi kwa wote na ara bateki political science kinya tukaoria professor Kindiki bathamithwa bonthe beje bara bari ira tuita a political bara ba usavu wananchi na ratiri emwe pate kugoju no ndeje kana nde na ndombe buru antu bara bari elected this time round and especially in Meru whether county kana national government igerwe ni antu bara babuthurite kiao tige ni gutumira mbesha go capture police stations tie ni gutumira power yenu go capture police stations tie ni gutumira power yenu na mbesha ira kwina jio go capture all investigative agencies in the county kenda to undermine the county government mwananchi narekerwe iterwe ni ngugi kura ikeja 2027 na ya 2027 timechinke karinga kura ya 2027 ni wananchi bakaringa kura so ngo condemn gitemdo kiu na nkiromba antu ba Meru bonthe urwethe anu supporta ngavana Kawira Mwangaza urwethe otu supporta ngavana Kawira Mwangaza twinthe ne twetikirie na keep peace no turene gitara kureta antu amwe kuwatithania county yetu na kuritira antu betu ngugi National Integration and Cohesion Commission netongere twistiru ni Meru ninkuburomba tafadhali Meru ni party imwe Kenya tie ni gwita ngugi Kenya imwe lakini njagu kija tuga charity begins at home thikirie ni kiripu chionthe chia last 1 month chia TV chietu chia radio chietu chia Meru mono bwana rais kiripu chionthe atongerio rabaritie buirereti etegwetia rocket science kumenya uambaindi manto ya kuendelea Meru if you analyze uka-analyze critically kiripu chia TV chionthe chia radio chionthe chietu chia tongeria bakiaria for the last 1 month ukamenya nara thineri boaktire kithineu Ameru tuendelee na peace tuendane atigania imenti Igembe tuendane twigintu kimwe tuendelee kuguranira kwendaniria na ukara twigintu kimwe tukathona no isiasa